Hi everyone, my name is Ized. As you already know, today I'm going to be automating a real um website, a real betting site. So the name of the betting site is bet9ja and it is part of bet9ja casino apps. So I make this project for someone, and if you're interested in something like this and making something like this, whether for a financial website or a bet website, you can always contact me via my mail. So I'll drop that in the description below. So and make sure you subscribe to my channel, and like you can share with people you know that will find this helpful. So let me get started with the bot. So let me open the app. So I haven't configured it, so this is the first time I'm configuring the app. So if you're interested in this particular bot, you can also contact me via my mail. So I will send you a demo so that I can test it. Then if you like it, then you can buy it. So let me continue with the app. So hold on. So now I'm going to set the amount the bet can bet the bot can bet at once to 15 naira. So that's our currency. So the loss limit of this bot is what you said if you don't want the bet and the bot to lose all your money. So I'm going to be setting it to 200. The profit limit to 200 as well. So I'll just skip this. Skip this. So yes, this is very important. So in this bet bot, I have three algorithms. So I'm going to be choosing the third one. So I'll choose the third one. So now you can start the bot, and we have the settings. You can also start the bot. So let me start the bot so I can see how it works. So I'll go back to this place. It has started loading, so let's wait for it to load. The network is kind of slow here. So I'll raise up my hand so that I can see that it is automated after it has finished loading. So in this particular video, the bot will not actually be playing anything because you know it waits for a pattern, and the pattern takes a while to occur. And seriously, you don't want it to make bets all the time. If that's the case, you know that it will definitely lose at the end of the day. So it looks for some pattern and it makes a bet. So now I have to copy this. Then I'll paste it. So that's all that I need to do. So let me close this window. So now everything is automated. As you can see, I have nothing in this account. So if you want to see as in like I said previously, that it takes a while before it makes some bets, so it is not immediate. So if you want to actually see the bot making bets, then drop it down in the comment section so that I can actually make a dedicated video on it, so I can see how it makes bets. So for now, you can see it is automated. To go to the statistic, check for the pattern. If the pattern occur, go back to the to where it makes the bet, then bet. So that's the logic with it. So like I said, if you are interested in the bot, you can contact me via my mail so that I can send you the demo. So that will be it for this video. So thanks for watching, and if you know someone who engage in something like this, just make sure you share this video to them. You might help them. This might be something they need, and if you in particular need something like this, or you want to make a bot, you can always contact me via my mail as well. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe.